Here's your daily updates. Newsman Dennis Daily offers his take on the events of the day in another daily video blog.
Hi, and thanks again, everybody. And look at what I found. It's a Whataburger. And yes, the sun is very bright here in Phoenix. Whataburger is a Corpus Christi, Texas-based hamburger chain. And as much as I love to talk about McDonald's, I really want to tell you about Whataburger. Whataburger is one of the largest privately held chains in the country. It's only regional in scope, but it has more than 700 locations in the South, from Texas to Arizona, New Mexico, Oklahoma, Louisiana, Arkansas, Mississippi, Alabama, Florida, and Georgia. The company was begun in 1950 by Harmon Dobson. Its buildings are distinctive, orange and white A-frame structures, although there have been modifications over the years. One of the most striking things about the typical Whataburger is that the burger itself seems to be bigger than other burgers. Whataburgers are 5 inches across. Now, even though you're tempted to think they just made the sandwich thinner and spread out the meat, by the time you pile all the extra stuff on top, you will know why devotees of Whataburger can't get enough. I had a funny experience at the flagship restaurant of the chain years ago. It's right on the Gulf of Mexico. I had taken my order up to the second floor observation deck that overlooks the Gulf. I went to get some ketchup. While I was gone, a seagull swooped down and stole my French fries. You're not going to find Whataburger everywhere, but if you can, let me tell you this, they're a real treat. I'm Dennis Daily with your Daily News Update.